Hello, hi! Welcome back to my channel. My name is NIACERI and I'll be showing you guys how I wax my brows at home. So for starters, I use this Sally Hansen Extra Strength All Over Body Wax Kit. You can pretty much get this at any drugstore. I got mine from CVS and I think it's about $10 to $15. I'll put the exact price down below. It comes with these wooden sticks to apply the wax with, but as you guys can see, these sticks are hella big, so I don't use them for my brows. I use a Q-tip instead, and I just pull the cotton off of one end of the Q-tip because it gives me more precision when I'm applying the wax. It also comes with this finishing oil that you can put when you're done waxing to pretty much get any wax residue that might be left over on your brows. And this is what the wax looks like. As you guys can see, this wax is a hot mess, so I definitely recommend you guys wear some gloves when waxing because there's nothing more frustrating than getting wax on your hands while you're waxing. Trust me, sis. Wear some gloves, okay? The kit also comes with these waxing strips, of course. The strips are huge, just like the sticks. So to solve that problem, I just cut these strips into thinner strips, as you guys see me doing here. And I cut about 4 or 5, but you can use your own discretion on how many little mini strips you need to fit on your brows. Of course, the kit comes with this little manual on how to use the wax, but there's honestly hella words that are not really necessary to read, so I'm gonna just tell you, put the wax in for 30 seconds at a time. So I put mine in for pretty much 60 seconds every time I use it, and it should look like this. As you guys can see, it's pretty runny but not too runny. You want your wax to be pretty runny so that when you apply it, it applies smooth and it's not super thick, because when it's too thick, it's just harder to apply the wax. Okay, so now it's wax time. This is what my brows are looking like before I wax them. As you guys can see, I look crazy. So yeah, just enjoy the clip and you guys can see how I wax my brows. I basically just wax my brows in 4 different parts. I start with the tail of my brow, then I move to the front of my brow and repeat the same thing on the top of my brow, but you guys will see what I mean because I know I may not have explained that well, but yeah, by doing it basically half and half, it leaves less room for error. So I recommend you guys do it this way. And if you're worried about not getting the right shape of your brow when you're waxing, maybe it's your first time, I would recommend you guys get a sharpened pen, or a sharpened lip liner or a sharpened eyeliner that you guys can use to draw a line to mimic the desired shape of your brow, so that you can use that as a guide when you're applying your wax and you won't mess up.
Sittin Throwin Rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave and swallow me whole. Wonder why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful.
Okay, I'm back. So I'm just applying that finishing oil to my brows. And also, don't forget to apply some Vaseline or baby oil or vitamin E oil to your brows when you're done waxing to avoid it from getting bumpy or avoid the skin from getting irritated. But yes, that's the end of this video. I hope it helped. Give me a like if it did, and I will see you guys in my next one.